guys, today let's see how to make a simple water level indicator. The components we require are BC547 transistor, 3 LEDs, 220 ohm resistors and a 9V battery and its connector. Let me start by explaining the terminals of BC547 transistor. Take the transistor in a way that the flat side faces you. Then the leftmost terminal is the collector, the middle terminal is the base, and the right terminal is the emitter. Now, connect the 220 ohm resistor to the collector terminal of the transistor. Then, connect the negative terminal of the LED to the other side of the resistor. Make 3 pairs of this set and you have 4 more connections away to complete the project. 1. Connect all the positive terminals of the LED. 2. Connect all the emitter terminals of the BC547 transistor. 3. Connect 3 probes that are going to be inserted in the water to the 3 base terminals of the transistor respectively. Here, probes are nothing but wires which are going to be placed in water. Use a single strand wire for a better result. Finally, connect the positive terminal of the 9V battery connector to the point where all the LED positives are connected, and connect the negative to the point where the 3 emitter terminals of the BC547 transistor is connected. And your connections are over. Now let's test our project. Now place the probes at different levels of the tank, and don't forget to place this wire which is connected to all the positive terminals of the LED. For real-time application, I will install the probes at different levels of my tank, and the probes goes all the way down, and this is the final outcome of our project. I have managed to stuff the circuit inside a ready-made switch box and label it so it looks neat and clean. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this project, you can reach me through Discord. I will put the link down below in the description. Thank you.